thunderstorms that will start to sweep in. Some of it connected to the landfalling hurricane. By tomorrow, it's going to be well inland across Alabama and Georgia. But we're also going to have a cold front that swings in right behind. So we'll show you how it all plays out with our forecast and focus data. Overnight, southeast to south wind, slight breeze, we'll put it that way. And then by the time you get up and start getting your day going, we'll be watching a band of showers, maybe some gustier winds with some of these thunderstorms that approach the tri-state counties. By about mid-morning to late morning, the scattered fashion of that line continues to make progress to the east. We'll have more of a southwest wind pattern, so that can maybe reduce the effects of any kind of spin-up tornadoes, but nonetheless, we can't necessarily let our guard down until this entire line pushes all the way through. Seems like by this time tomorrow, it'll be to the east. The cold front will be swinging through. We'll have more of a west wind, eventually northwest, and that will help to bring in a drier and cooler spell. Rain totals locally, not overwhelming. Most areas about quarter, half an inch, maybe a few isolated heavier amounts if the rain goes over one location just right. And again, with the early morning to early afternoon progression of that broken line of showers and some gusty winds with some of those storms, we could see an isolated case of maybe an ever so brief tornado, which is not too unusual with a nearby landfalling tropical system. Morning lows not very low, mid-70s, that's near average highs, and highs tomorrow ranging from the lower 80s to the mid-80s. Tomorrow will be the last day of this sort of temperature setup because the cold front brings in a whole different air mass. It's going to be drier, it's going to be cooler, not just for a couple days, but likely for several more days right through the end of the extended forecast with another front by Sunday. Minor rain chance then, but keeps things cool and perhaps even colder for times next week.